हेलो स्टूडेंट, आज हम लोग बात करेंगे रिएजेंट्स के बारे में। ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में रिएजेंट का बहुत बड़ा रोल प्ले होता है। तो रिएजेंट्स क्या है? दीज आर द स्पीसीज विच आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द केमिकल रिएक्शन। In general way, reagents are classified into two different parts. The first one is electrophilic reagent. These are electron-loving species, which means all these reagents are electron deficient species. All electrophilic reagents are electron deficient. On the other side, there are some reagents which are nucleus loving and they are electron rich species, and they represented by the symbol Nu. Electrophilic reagents further classified into two categories. दो कैटेगरी में इसको क्लासीफाई करते हैं। पहला है चार्ज्ड इलेक्ट्रोफाइल, जिसमें चार्ज रहता है। ऑल द पॉजिटिवली चार्ज आयंस आर द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ चार्ज इलेक्ट्रोफाइल। और दूसरा है न्यूट्रल इलेक्ट्रोफाइल। दीज आर द स्पीसीज विच डू नॉट possesses any charge on them, but they are electron deficient. So all the electron deficient molecules are in the example of neutral electrophile, like aluminum chloride, beryllium chloride, boron trifluoride, etc. On the other side, nucleophilic reagents are further classified into two parts. Charged nucleophile, all the negatively charged ions are the example of charged nucleophile. And the second one is neutral nucleophile. These are the species which do not possess any charge on them, but they are electron rich due to the presence of unshared pair of electron on their central atom, and that's why they are electron rich, and these are said to be as neutral nucleophile. Some of the examples are ammonia and water. In case of ammonia, nitrogen atom has contained one unshared pair of electron, while in case of oxygen atom in water consists of two unshared pair of electron. So that's why they are electron rich. So I think that all of you clearly understand the concept of electrophilic and nucleophilic reagent. Thank you for watching.